In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Box. By the end, you'll have the Box app added to your Slack workspace, so you can streamline file sharing and collaboration without switching tabs. Start by opening your web browser and heading to app.slack.com. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple organizations. Being in the right place from the start helps avoid permission errors later on. Once Slack loads, look for the More option in the left sidebar. Depending on your window size, you might need to expand the sidebar or maximize your browser to see it clearly. Click More to reveal additional options. From there, click on Tools. This area gathers helpful features and shortcuts that aren't always visible on the main sidebar. It's a good place to remember when you're looking for integrations and utilities that power up your Slack experience. Next, click Apps. This opens the Slack app directory within your workspace where you can browse and install apps that connect your favorite tools to Slack. If your organization manages app permissions, you may see a banner indicating that some apps require approval. That's normal. Just proceed, and Slack will handle any necessary admin requests automatically. Use the search bar at the top and type Box. You should see the Box app appear in the results with its description and rating. Click into it to open the app's details page where you can review what the app does and the permissions it requests. Click Install. This starts the setup flow for adding Box to your Slack workspace. If you're not an admin and your organization requires approval, Slack will note that and guide you through the request process. When prompted, click Add to Slack. This confirms that you want to connect the Box app to your workspace and brings up the authorization screen. Take a moment to skim the permissions so you know what access you're granting. Finally, click Allow. This authorizes the connection and completes the installation. You'll see a confirmation message in Slack, and the Box app will appear in your apps list. If you're prompted to sign into Box or choose a Box account, follow the on-screen steps so Slack can link to the correct storage. From here, you can open the Box app in Slack to explore options, share Box links directly in channels and DMs, and take advantage of file previews and collaboration features. If anything doesn't appear, refresh Slack or check with your workspace admin about permissions. That's it. You've connected Slack to Box and you're ready to work more efficiently.